How to fix Snapchat account has been temporarily locked error. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Snapchat, then go to your profile, go to settings, scroll down and go to Snapchat Help Center. Then go to I can't access my account. You can also do it using your browser. Simply search for Snapchat Help Center. After that, go to my account is locked. As you can see, if you have violated the community guidelines or terms of service of Instagram, your account will be locked. So if you want to unlock, just tap on this highlighted going here section, and if it has been locked you will see the option of unlock, and just like that you can simply unlock the account. So that's how you do it. You just have to follow all the instructions of the help center and you will be done. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.